헷갈리는 영어 단어 50상 두 번째 영상입니다. 이 단어들을 확실히 알고 쓸 수 있으면 영어 실력 향상에 큰 도움이 됩니다. 그럼 시작할게요.
morning, 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 morning,
I always drink coffee in the morning. I always drink coffee in the morning.
나는 항상 아침에 커피를 마신다.
She wore black while she was in mourning. She wore black while she was in mourning.
그녀는 애도 기간 동안 검은 옷을 입었다.
affect, 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 affect,
The new law had a positive effect on the environment. The new law had a positive effect on the environment.
새로운 법은 환경에 긍정적인 영향을 미쳤다.
Cold weather can affect your mood. Cold weather can affect your mood.
추운 날씨는 기분에 영향을 미칠 수 있다.
classic, classical, classic, classical,
The Great Gatsby is a classic novel. The Great Gatsby is a classic novel.
위대한 개츠비는 고전 소설이다.
The Godfather is a true classic that everyone should watch at least once. The Godfather is a true classic that everyone should watch at least once.
대부는 모든 사람이 최소한 한 번은 봐야 하는 명작이다.
It was a classic mistake made by beginners. It was a classic mistake made by beginners.
그건 초보자들이 저지르는 전형적인 실수였다.
That's a classic dad joke. That's a classic dad joke.
그건 전형적인 아재 개그다.
The building has a classical Roman design. The building has a classical Roman design.
그 건물은 고전 로마 양식으로 지어졌다.
He majored in classical literature at university. He majored in classical literature at university.
그는 대학에서 고전 문학을 전공했다.
He enjoys listening to classical music in the evening. He enjoys listening to classical music in the evening.
그는 저녁에 고전 음악을 듣는 것을 즐긴다.
past, 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 past,
He was so happy when he passed the driving test on his first try. He was so happy when he passed the driving test on his first try.
그는 운전면허 시험을 한 번에 붙었을 때 정말 기뻐했다.
We passed a beautiful lake on our way. We passed a beautiful lake on our way.
우리는 가는 길에 아름다운 호수를 지났다.
He passed me the salt. He passed me the salt.
그는 나한테 소금을 건네줬다.
You can't change the past, but you can shape the future. You can't change the past, but you can shape the future.
과거는 바꿀 수 없지만 미래는 바꿀 수 있다.
I walked past the store. I walked past the store.
나는 가게를 지나서 걸었다.
economic, economical, economic, economical,
The country is facing an economic crisis. The country is facing an economic crisis.
그 나라는 경제 위기를 겪고 있다.
Tourism is very important to the country's economic growth. Tourism is very important to the country's economic growth.
관광은 그 나라의 경제 성장에 매우 중요하다.
Buying in bulk is more economical. Buying in bulk is more economical.
대량으로 사는 것이 더 경제적이다.
This car is very economical on fuel. This car is very economical on fuel.
이 차는 연비가 아주 좋다.
Using LED lights is more economical than traditional bulbs. Using LED lights is more economical than traditional bulbs.
LED 전구를 사용하는 것이 일반 전구보다 더 경제적이다.
Eminent. Imminent. Eminent. Imminent.
He is one of the most eminent doctors in the country. He is one of the most eminent doctors in the country.
그는 전국에서 가장 저명한 의사 중 한 명이다.
A storm is imminent, so we should stay indoors. A storm is imminent, so we should stay indoors.
폭풍이 임박해서 실내에 있어야 한다.
He was unaware of the imminent danger. He was unaware of the imminent danger.
그는 임박한 위험을 모르고 있었다.
Sight. 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 Sight.
He lost his sight in an accident. He lost his sight in an accident.
그는 사고로 시력을 잃었다.
The sight of the beautiful sunset took my breath away. The sight of the beautiful sunset took my breath away.
아름다운 일몰 광경에 숨이 멎을 뻔했다.
Keep out of sight until I contact you. Keep out of sight until I contact you.
내가 연락할 때까지 눈에 띄지 마.
We visited the historic site last weekend. We visited the historic site last weekend.
우리는 지난 주말에 역사적인 장소를 방문했다.
The construction site is closed today. The construction site is closed today.
공사 현장은 오늘 문을 닫았다.
Hurdle. 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 Hurdle.
She jumped over the last hurdle and won the race. She jumped over the last hurdle and won the race.
그녀는 마지막 허들을 넘고 경주에서 이겼다.
We faced many hurdles in starting our business. We faced many hurdles in starting our business.
우리는 사업을 시작하면서 많은 난관에 부딪혔다.
The car hurtled down the highway at full speed. The car hurtled down the highway at full speed.
차는 고속도로를 전속력으로 돌진했다.
Sensible. Sensitive. Sensible. Sensitive.
It's sensible to save money for emergencies. It's sensible to save money for emergencies.
비상사태를 대비해 돈을 절약하는 것이 현명하다.
She gave me some sensible advice about my career. She gave me some sensible advice about my career.
그녀는 내 경력에 대해 현명한 조언을 해줬다.
He is very sensitive to criticism. He is very sensitive to criticism.
그는 비판에 매우 예민하다.
This lotion is good for people with sensitive skin. This lotion is good for people with sensitive skin.
이 로션은 민감한 피부를 가진 사람들에게 좋다.
Persecute. Prosecute. Persecute. Prosecute.
They were persecuted for their religious beliefs. They were persecuted for their religious beliefs.
그들은 종교적 신념 때문에 박해받았다.
The police decided to prosecute the suspect for theft. The police decided to prosecute the suspect for theft.
경찰은 그 용의자를 절도죄로 기소하기로 결정했다.
The company was prosecuted for environmental violations. The company was prosecuted for environmental violations.
그 회사는 환경법규 위반으로 기소되었다.
Rise. Raise. Rise. Raise.
The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east.
태양은 동쪽에서 뜬다.
Prices continue to rise every year. Prices continue to rise every year.
물가는 매년 계속 오르고 있다.
He raised his hand. He raised his hand.
그는 손을 들었다.
She raised 3 children on her own. She raised 3 children on her own.
그녀는 아이 셋을 혼자서 길렀다.
We need to raise more money. We need to raise more money.
우린 더 많은 자금을 모아야 한다.
Historic. Historical. Historic. Historical.
The historic summit was broadcast live. The historic summit was broadcast live.
그 역사적인 정상회담은 생중계되었다.
The novel is based on historical facts. The novel is based on historical facts.
그 소설은 역사적 사실에 바탕을 뒀다.
Advice. Advise. Advice. Advise.
Thank you for your advice. Thank you for your advice.
충고해줘서 고마워.
I advised Tom to take a break. I advised Tom to take a break.
난 톰에게 휴식을 취하라고 충고했다.
The doctor advised me not to drink coffee. The doctor advised me not to drink coffee.
의사가 나에게 커피를 마시지 말라고 조언했다.
Emigrate. Immigrate. Emigrate. Immigrate.
My grandparents emigrated from Korea to the United States. My grandparents emigrated from Korea to the United States.
우리 조부모님은 한국에서 미국으로 이주하셨다.
He immigrated to Canada 5 years ago. He immigrated to Canada 5 years ago.
그는 5년 전에 캐나다로 이민 왔다.
Diffuse. 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 Diffuse.
The police defused the bomb safely. The police defused the bomb safely.
경찰이 폭탄을 안전하게 해체했다.
She tried to defuse the tension with a joke. She tried to defuse the tension with a joke.
그녀는 농담으로 긴장을 풀려고 했다.
The smell of coffee began to diffuse throughout the house. The smell of coffee began to diffuse throughout the house.
커피 향이 집안 곳곳에 퍼지기 시작했다.
Farther. Further. Farther. Further.
We need to walk farther to reach the station. We need to walk farther to reach the station.
역에 도착하려면 더 멀리 걸어야 한다.
Could you provide further information about the event? Could you provide further information about the event?
그 행사에 대한 추가 정보를 제공해 주실 수 있나요?
We need to discuss this further. We need to discuss this further.
이건 추가로 논의할 필요가 있다.
Last. Latest. Last. Latest.
This is the last bus of the day. This is the last bus of the day.
이게 오늘의 마지막 버스다.
This is the latest version of the software. This is the latest version of the software.
이게 그 소프트웨어의 최신 버전이다.
Compliment. 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 Compliment.
The red wine complements the steak perfectly. The red wine complements the steak perfectly.
그 레드 와인은 스테이크와 잘 어울린다.
Her skills complement his experience. Her skills complement his experience.
그녀의 능력은 그의 경험을 보완해 준다.
He gave me a compliment on my new dress. He gave me a compliment on my new dress.
그는 내 새 드레스가 예쁘다고 칭찬했다.
He complimented her on her cooking skills. He complimented her on her cooking skills.
그는 그녀의 요리 실력을 칭찬했다.
Bear. 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 Bear.
She walked around in bare feet on the beach. She walked around in bare feet on the beach.
그녀는 해변에서 맨발로 걸었다.
He couldn't bear the pain any longer. He couldn't bear the pain any longer.
그는 더 이상 고통을 참을 수 없었다.
A bear was spotted near the campsite. A bear was spotted near the campsite.
캠핑장 근처에서 곰이 목격되었다.
Recipe. Receipt. Recipe. Receipt.
This recipe is very easy to follow. This recipe is very easy to follow.
이 요리법은 따라하기가 매우 쉽다.
Keep the receipt for returns. Keep the receipt for returns.
반품할지 모르니까 영수증을 보관해.
Accept. 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 Accept.
He accepted the job offer immediately. He accepted the job offer immediately.
그는 일자리 제안을 즉시 받아들였다.
Everyone except John will be attending the meeting. Everyone except John will be attending the meeting.
존을 제외한 모든 사람이 회의에 참석할 것이다.
Late. Lately. Late. Lately.
I was late for the meeting. I was late for the meeting.
나는 회의에 늦었다.
The late president was a great leader. The late president was a great leader.
고인이 된 대통령은 위대한 지도자였다.
She's been very busy lately with work. She's been very busy lately with work.
그녀는 최근에 일 때문에 매우 바빴다.
Stationary. 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 Stationary.
The car remained stationary at the traffic light. The car remained stationary at the traffic light.
차는 신호등에서 멈춰 있었다.
The store sells office supplies and stationery. The store sells office supplies and stationery.
그 가게는 사무용품과 문구류를 판다.
Principal. 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 Principal.
She always sticks to her principles. She always sticks to her principles.
그녀는 항상 자신의 원칙을 고수한다.
Newton's laws are fundamental principles of physics. Newton's laws are fundamental principles of physics.
뉴턴의 법칙은 물리학의 기본 원리이다.
The principal of the school is visiting our class today. The principal of the school is visiting our class today.
오늘 교장 선생님이 우리 반에 방문하신다.
The principal objective of the project is to reduce costs. The principal objective of the project is to reduce costs.
그 프로젝트의 주요 목표는 비용 절감이다.
Independence. Independency. Independence. Independency.
The country gained its independence in 1945. The country gained its independence in 1945.
그 나라는 1945년에 독립을 쟁취했다.
Children learn about independency as they grow older. Children learn about independency as they grow older.
아이들은 나이가 들면서 독립성에 대해 배운다.